The 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob battery replacement is a simple DIY task. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on the key fob casing. Carefully insert the screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and gently pry the case open. Be cautious to avoid damaging the plastic. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 coin cell battery. Use the screwdriver tip or your fingernail to carefully eject the old battery from the compartment. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side typically faces up. With the old battery removed, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up. Once the new battery is correctly in place, align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until they snap securely shut. Ensure there are no gaps. Test the key fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it's working. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. If issues persist, the fob may need reprogramming.